Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another 2005 Ex Army Gypsy for sale in Bangalore. This is a second owner vehicle, completely a KA registered vehicle. RC is valid up to 2035. Basic modifications have been done on this vehicle. This is an Mpfi 1.3 engine. The vehicle is coming up with off-roading bumpers in this. LED lights have been installed, bar lights have been installed at the moment, and UMAX LED lights have been installed. This is an 1.3 petrol engine, 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. The vehicle is lifted with a 2-inch shackle in this, and off-roading tires have been installed. Continental Cross 235 75 15. 80 tires are installed in this. Off-roading rims, hub locks have been installed in this. You can just check out this Hardtop vehicle, very much neat and well maintained vehicle. RC is valid up to 2035. Insurance is valid. You can just check out the overview body line of the vehicle. Set of 5 tires are available in this. There's no power steering in this. A very neat vehicle with all working condition. Insurance is also valid. You can just check out the Hardtop also. It's very much in good condition at the moment. A KA registered vehicle at the moment with a set of 5 tires in this. Shock absorbers have also been upgraded for a better ride quality. Baleno seats have been installed in this. Very much neat vehicle at the moment. So you can just check out the interiors. Interiors are coming with a basic dashboard in this, and you can just check out the seats have been installed with Baleno seats have been installed in this. 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive. And you can just check out this, the back view of the vehicle with the long seats. There's no modification in this at the moment. So anybody who is really interested in having this vehicle for a trial basis, you can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679 NOC can be given, and also CC can be given across all over Bangalore or Karnataka, and NOC also can be issued to other state also. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on this number. The price we are quoting is 5 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us. This is an 1.3 petrol engine, 4-wheel drive with all mods available. Just you need to upgrade it for power steering. So this is completely available at Jeep Zone Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. The price I'm quoting is 5.5, slightly negotiable. Insurance is valid. So please like and subscribe our channel. WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679 We are based in Bangalore, so please like and subscribe. We deal with only off-roading vehicles, Jeep, Gypsy, Bolero, Stars, and Gurkhas. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.